Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my February Boxycharm unboxing, and I haven't done a Boxycharm video since November, I think. I didn't do December or January just because honestly I was busy doing other stuff and the boxes just like were not doing it for me, and I don't like to film with things that I'm not excited for, so I just skipped on doing videos on them. Yeah, so this month's box was actually pretty large. It's pretty big, a lot of stuff in here. I looked through the box and it looks pretty good, so I'm excited to try this stuff out. Just get into it. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is already, it's a monthly subscription box. I believe the regular box now is $25. If you guys do want to sign up for Boxycharm yourself, I will leave a link down below for you guys to sign up. It is an affiliate link, so if you guys do sign up using it, I do get a really small commission. So if you don't want to sign up using the link, you don't have to. You can just go to boxycharm.com. But if you do use the link, then I really appreciate it, so thank you. First thing that's in here that I'm really excited for is the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. These are to help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. I've used, I keep wanting to say First Aid Beauty before, and I think I've just used like their moisturizer and I liked it. I think I've heard people talk about these before and they've said they're really good, so if I don't use them, my mom will also use them. I'm gonna take one of these and just rub my face. So I'm just gonna do that. Nice. It feels, I don't know, I think because I just woke up, it feels really nice and cooling on the skin. They're really cold, but I don't know, I think it's just because my house is freezing, but they feel nice. These retail for $16. So it says that they have the right amount of lactic and glycolic acid to safely and effectively exfoliate, tone, and brighten all skin types. I'm just going to go through these really quick because I don't think I'm going to use these right now. These are the Evio Skin Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. This is what they look like. They retail for $10. And I think these are just makeup wipes. Yeah, they remove makeup and stuff. I personally don't use makeup wipes on my face, so I'll be giving these away or like giving them to my mom or something. I don't know, I'll give them to one of my friends. I don't use makeup wipes just because you guys can look it up like why you shouldn't use makeup wipes. I prefer like cleansing oils, cleansing balms, things like that. I personally just don't like to use makeup wipes. Let's just move on to the next product. The Amika Supernova Moisture Shine Cream. This retails for $25. I love Amika products. They have one of my favorite dry shampoos, so I'm really excited to see this in the box. This is a leave-in cream, weightlessly conditions, tames frizz, and heat protects. Use on dry hair to tame flyaways or refresh dry ends. Okay, I'll put a little bit of this on because my hair is frizzy today, so we can try a little bit. I'll put a little bit. I don't like to put a lot of product in my hair, so I'm just gonna... It says it tamed frizz. We'll see about that. Oh, Amika products smell so good. Love the way that their products smell. It's just amazing. I took a little bit more because I do have thicker hair, so it kind of just drinks everything up. But it feels nice. I love Amika products, so I'm sure this is good. I've tried a lot of stuff from them, and all of it pretty much works on my hair. So my hair is really curly today. Wow. I do think it tamed frizz a little bit. I don't like to put... I have really frizzy hair up here, and I don't like to put too much product by my roots, but it does look like it tamed a little bit of frizz down here, so that's cool. Very happy to see this in the box. I love Amika, so I hope they put more products of their stuff in boxes and future boxes because Amika is really, really good. On to the biggest product in this box, and this is the iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. It's huge. Look how big this is. Retails for $62. That's really expensive. Iconic is really pricey. Not to like sound rude, but I don't know why they're so expensive. Like I've seen their stuff like at Morphe stores, like their palettes and stuff, and they're really expensive. I kind of like am shook with how pricey their stuff is sometimes. Like this is $62, which seems really pricey. Palette actually looks really nice. I don't know if it's like $62 worth nice, you know. It's a really good palette for every day. This is actually a really good palette to put in the box because I personally would never spend the money on that for something like this, but I feel like so many people could get use out of this. Use it for every day. It's perfect for work, going out, whatever. Like it's just one of those good everyday palettes, you know. And you get it in the box, so you're not spending the actual $62 on it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my eyeshadow primer really quick, and then we'll get into doing a little look with the palette. So I'm gonna go into the shade Ultimate Tan, which is this shade right here. It's like a beige transition color. And I'm just going to put this in my crease and use this as a transition shade. It seems to be blending out fine. Taking some on my outer corner over here. Go in to Taupe de Taupe. It's the shade right here. It's like a cooler neutral brown. I'm just going to use the same brush. And I'm just going to kind of do the same thing. Just put that in my crease. And I'm going to go ahead and take a Deep Soul, which is this darker brown up here. So I'm just going to take that shade and just run this kind of close to my lash line and then bring it up into the outer corner. Just to kind of smoke it out a little bit. Go into the shade Peach Fizz because this one is standing out to me the most. It's like this really pretty champagne color. I'm just going to put that on the lid. Ooh, okay, the shimmers are really nice. Like they're really, really buttery. Oh, wow. Okay, I definitely like the shimmers more than the mattes, for sure. That's actually really pretty. I like that shimmer a lot. Okay, that shimmer is beautiful. I love that. I'm going to take Velvet Crush. It's this darker shimmer over here. I'm just going to put that in the middle and start blending that out towards the outer part, just so everything kind of blends in nice together. Like so. Ooh, that's really pretty. Okay, definitely the shimmers in here I like way more than the mattes. The mattes were okay, but like the shimmers, they might have did something there. I'm gonna do the lower lash line, but I'm gonna do my face first. We do have some blending sponges in here. These are from Luxie. It's a complete sponge set. Bake, Contour, and Detail. Retail for $40. That's expensive. So in here we have like this kind of sponge, which is actually looks like the sponge that I use from the Makeup Shack. It's kind of like the same shape. So it's like flat on these edges. And then we have one that looks like this where it's just the regular one and then kind of flat just on one side. I've also used this kind of sponge. I like both of them. And then we have a little small one for like eye concealer and stuff. So I think today I'm going to use these two. So I just went ahead and wet them really quick. You can see it definitely like doubled in size, and it is soft. It's not like the softest, like I still think my Makeup Shack one is softer, but it is nice and soft and squishy. And then this is what the little concealer one looks like. More like beauty sponge brands would stop doing pink and do like this color, because like this is like the color of foundation. It wouldn't look as dirty probably, but I mean maybe it does, I don't know, we'll see. So I'm just gonna take my foundation. Oh, actually let me take my primer first. I'm just gonna take my foundation. This is the Lancome Tawny Dole. It's my favorite foundation, and I'm just going to blend this out with the first sponge. It's applying it fine. I'm not really noticing like a difference from like when I use my other sponge or anything. I definitely feel that this sponge is not as soft as my Makeup Shack one. Like I feel like I'm kind of like literally beating my face, but it's fine. See, like if more sponges were this color, like look, you can't even tell where my foundation was or anything. How nice. Why don't more brands do this color? I know Beauty Blender came out with one that was that color, but I'm not gonna buy a Beauty Blender for $20 when my Makeup Shack one is like $5. So yeah, so I like this one. Blended out everything really nicely. My foundation looks great. For this, I'm not gonna love. I hate when I can see like the concealer and stuff on my sponge and this one's white. So that should be fun. So I'm just taking my concealer. This is the Kylie Skin concealer or whatever it's called. Yeah, Kylie Skin Concealer. This out. Oh god, this is like, I'm gonna die looking at this. I like the idea of little sponges, but I also am lazy and I don't want to like have to grab another sponge or something for just my concealer, you know? That's like the only reason why I never use like the little sponges and stuff to bake the sides of my nose with powder. That's what I usually use them for. Like I use the little ColourPop one for that. But I mean this one's blending it out nice. It's nice to have a little sponge to get like right up in there, especially like in this little area up here. Go ahead and finish up the rest of my face and then I'll finish the lower lash line and I'll bake with the sponge as well too. So okay, so I went ahead and just did my face. By the way, I've been using the new Alameda Cosmetics Brighten and Bronze trios. I really hope that they put these in the Boxycharm soon, because I know Gabby always like has some Alameda products in there sometimes, so they're really good. You see how sculpted and bronzed I am? Really, really good. I love them so much. I'm gonna go ahead and bake with this little sponge. I'm gonna take some powder. This is just my Laura Mercier powder. And take this on the sides of my nose. I actually like this one. I could probably see myself using this one to bake more than anything. I'm actually gonna use this one to bake underneath my contour. I'm gonna just do the lower lash line really quick. I'm probably just gonna use the shades that I used on the top. I think I'm just gonna take Taupe de Taupe, the one that we used second, and just put that on the lower part. I'm just gonna put that on the lower lash line. Take Deep Soul, which was the shade we used on the outer corner, and I'm just gonna put that on the outer part of the lower lash line. Inner corner, I'm gonna take Icon, which is this like really pretty shimmer over here. Ooh. Yes, you guys know I love a nice inner corner highlight. I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my face and I'll come back and give you guys my thoughts on this one's box. Alright, so this is the finished look. This lip came out really nice. On my lips, I have the Alameda Cosmetics Dulce lip liner and the Coqueta gloss. The perfect gloss combo, honestly. You guys, my thoughts on this one's box. So I like it. Is it my favorite box that we've gotten? No, not really. Really excited to keep using this Amika Moisture and Shine Cream. I think my hair feels really nice and soft. It smells good now. I don't know how much it tamed frizz because I'm still a little frizzy, but I didn't take a lot up here because I don't like to put product too close to my roots just because my hair does get oily really fast. So a little sponge set I like. Would I have paid $40 for that? Absolutely not. But I'm glad it was in the box and you don't have to pay that. The box is only $25. I liked both of the sponges. I think it applied my foundation and everything really nicely. I like that little smaller one to bake the size of my nose. I think it was perfect for that. I like these little facial radiance pads. I don't really notice a difference too much right away, but maybe over time I'll notice something. But First Aid Beauty is a really good brand, so I'm excited to see this in the box and I'll definitely keep using this. I'm sure my mom will also use this as well. Palette, I like it. Would I have ever paid $62 for that? Absolutely not. No. I don't think it's, like, even trying it, I liked it. I don't think it's worth $62 in my opinion. That's just my opinion. The shimmers are really nice, really, really pretty. I think the shimmers are definitely the standout in the palette more so than the mattes. The mattes blended out fine, but it wasn't anything like super easy to blend. Like, it wasn't anything like revolutionary, you know? Like, it was just, you know, some regular matte shadows that worked nice. They blended out fine, but it wasn't anything too crazy. The shimmers, though, are really, really nice, and I can definitely see myself using the shimmers in here. I just don't know how often I would reach for this just because it's also really bulky, too. But it was a nice addition to the box. I think it's a really pretty palette to put in the box. It's huge, it's nice, it works, it performs well, so that's really good. I think it was a good box. It's okay. It was a good box. It's better than the last two, I would say. I know everyone's boxes are different, but the last two that I got just like were not my favorite. I don't even remember what was in the other two boxes, but it wasn't anything enough to make me excited to want to film with the boxes, you know. So I didn't do the last 2 months, but you know, we're back. I'm a little late, but we're back. Hoping to see a really exciting box for next month because next month is March, and March is my favorite month because it's my birthday month, so I want everything great in March. So they're doing a Fenty Beauty box. What? Like, they're doing a Fenty box for March, not like the actual like subscription one, but they're doing like an additional, I think you can pay for it extra or something. I don't know exactly how it's working, but you guys can check it out. It's on their Instagram, but they're doing a Fenty Beauty box. It's insane. There's like a bunch of, it's just all Fenty, which is crazy. So that's really exciting. I don't know if I'm gonna pick that up just because I do have all the products that are in there already. If you don't have anything from Fenty, I think it's a really, really good deal. Leave me a comment down below what you guys got in your February box. Did you guys get the same stuff as I did? Did you get anything different? Did you like it? Did you not like it? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.